客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. You know, sometimes when we do things for people, it's our pleasure, right? It's a politeness that we actually mention too. 其实有时候比较有礼貌，我们都会说，这是我的 pleasure， 我的乐意嘛，我很乐意做这件事情。那比如说，我们今天要来教一些状况，可能会带到乐意这个词喽。How do you say pleasure？ 乐意。
乐意。
乐意 ，OK， 听起来有点像下雨哈。
乐意。
那是乐意。
对。
Sounds like raining, but it's actually a pleasure. 乐意。For instance， 我非常乐意跟他们一起去旅行。It's my pleasure to travel with them.
我非常樂意。
我非常樂意。
留記到鄉下去旅行。
留記到鄉下去旅行。
我很樂意一起去旅行。
旅行就是旅行 ，that's to travel, a journey, right? Or on a more daily basis, we might say, "Hey, you're welcome." When people thank you for something, right? 其实我们常常都会說，不用客氣，這是我樂意做的事情。
我可以。
Yeah, so let's teach you that. 不用客氣這件事情，我非常樂意幫忙。
唔是生意。
唔是生意。
一件事情。
一件事情。
我同樂意來聽書。
我同樂意來聽書。OK， 就是我非常樂意來幫忙聽書，
助人，
幫忙助人。對 ，and then 不用客氣，就是說 You're welcome, right？ 所以英文也會這樣子講 ，It's my pleasure. All right, let's teach you these phrases, one by one. For instance, to travel or a journey， 旅行。
旅行。
旅行，不用客氣 ，that means you're welcome.
唔是生意。
唔是生意 ，and finally, my pleasure or 樂意。
樂意。
樂意 and there you have it, being polite in Hakka. Hope you learned a little bit more here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只說
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.